Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today, I was given the opportunity to revamp and bring this 2016 Ram 2500 back to kind of some glory. Let's take a walk around this bad boy. And before we do that, please smash the subscribe button. We have a lot of stuff we're going to come up on this. I'm going to show you guys how to take the seats out, how to recover and replace seat cushions, and rematch the upholstery, detailing, and everything like that. So it's going to be a fun little journey. This is my brother-in-law's new to him used pickup. And so we're going to get this thing looking good. So let's walk around it. All right, so we have a 2016. Yep, you can probably see some of the hail damage that it was part of the discount, if you will. 95,000 miles on it. And we got ourselves a dusty little beast. And you can see right there, that's 16 is back when they put the little Hemi in here in this big truck. Take that for what it's worth, but there's a reason why it's no longer in these big trucks, because they wanted to put more towing capacity behind the gasser. So obviously this smaller V8 has its limitations. But when I was looking at for him to buy, we didn't see any dusty, anything leaking. It's actually just dirty. It's not oily, it's not greasy, nothing's leaking. Take a look around here. For 16, the headlights have held up well because it wasn't stored inside. We got a lot of brake dust on these rims, if you will. They're a steel rim with this chrome simulator on it. Unfortunately, we can't take them off and replace them without getting the tires rebalanced. So they got the weights here, so we're going to do our best to get those cleaned up. We're going to walk through everything on how the truck is. Like I said, we just have some stuff that's come apart. We're going to replace some trailer mirrors, lots of dog hair, lots of dirt, lots of stuff coming up on it. Got some nastiness in the seat. I don't know if it's gum or dog vomit. But for what he got it for and the trailer he's going to tow, this is an excellent truck for the job. This is a tradesman trim, but you know, I've always said that these new base trims, if you will, are not base at all. Still really good there. Lots of dog hair, lots of leaves, dog hair entwined in the seats, in the carpet, all over. Wish it was old enough to have the leaf spring, but this is the 5-link rear coil, so we got some dents and everywhere and everything. But we're going to be doing a lot of work to it. We might even do some PDR to it, but overall it's a pretty solid looking truck. It does run exceptionally well. Surprised for being outside, these belt trims don't look like trash. They're warping a little bit here and here. Normal, typical. This is just a sticker to make the windows look bigger. We're going to get all this off, guys. That's part of the fun, is taking one of these and bringing it back. We got some damage here. Looks like some shoddy body work. Somebody tried to pound that out or whatever. So it's going to be a pretty fun little deal. So make sure you just, like I said, subscribe if you're a Ram guy. I love Rams, and I'm going to love bringing this one back to its glory. You saw how dirty the inside was. Be more specific videos coming up on it. And if you have one of these years, they didn't change much from 10 to like 18, 19 when they kind of changed the exterior a little bit and changed the interior. But you know, they ran, most of this truck is still the same as it was even before 10. So we're going to be doing tonneaus, we're doing mirrors, we're doing lots of stuff. So this will be a fun little journey, guys. I'm going to catch you on the next one.